How to start a successful online business. Hello, online business strategists. Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate destination for navigating the complexities of the online business world. Today, we're delving into a topic that's fundamental for aspiring entrepreneurs and seasoned business owners alike. How to start a successful online business. Whether you're taking your first steps into the digital realm or looking to refine your strategy, this comprehensive guide has got you covered. So, grab your notebooks, hit that like button, and let's dive into the essential steps to launch and sustain a thriving online business in today's dynamic landscape. In the ever-expanding digital landscape, starting a successful online business requires a strategic approach, dedication, and a solid understanding of key principles. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or diving into the online world for the first time, this comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential steps to launch and sustain a thriving online business. 1. Identify your niche and target audience. Begin by identifying a niche that aligns with your passion, skills, and market demand. Research your target audience to understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. A well-defined niche and target audience lay the foundation for a successful online business. 2. Conduct market research. Thorough market research is crucial for identifying opportunities and potential competitors. Analyze industry trends, assess your competitors' strategies, and pinpoint gaps in the market that your business can fill. This information will inform your business strategy and set you apart in the crowded digital space. 3. Create a solid business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business goals, target audience, revenue streams, marketing strategies, and financial projections. A well-crafted plan serves as a roadmap, guiding your decisions and helping secure funding if needed. 4. Choose the right business model. Select a business model that aligns with your goals and target audience. Whether it's e-commerce, subscription services, affiliate marketing, or digital products, the right model sets the tone for your revenue streams and overall business strategy. 5. Build a professional online presence. Invest time in creating a professional and user-friendly website. Ensure it reflects your brand identity, provides valuable content, and has a clear call to action. Optimize for mobile responsiveness, as a significant portion of online users accesses content via mobile devices. 6. Establish a strong brand identity. Craft a memorable brand identity, including a unique logo, color scheme, and consistent messaging. A strong brand presence fosters trust and recognition among your audience. Use social media platforms to amplify your brand and engage with your community. 7. Invest in quality content creation. Content is a cornerstone of online success. Develop a content strategy that includes blog posts, videos, podcasts, or other formats relevant to your audience. Quality content not only attracts and retains visitors, but also enhances your website's search engine visibility. 8. Implement effective SEO strategies. Optimize your website for search engines to improve visibility and attract organic traffic. Conduct keyword research, optimize meta tags, and ensure your content aligns with SEO best practices. A strong SEO foundation is essential for long-term success. 9. Utilize social media marketing. Engage with your audience on social media platforms relevant to your business. Develop a social media marketing strategy to build a community, promote your products or services, and drive traffic to your website. Consistent and authentic interaction fosters brand loyalty. 10. Provide exceptional customer service. Prioritize customer satisfaction by offering exceptional customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns, and seek feedback. Positive customer experiences not only retain existing customers, but also contribute to positive word-of-mouth marketing. 11. Optimize for mobile and user experience. With the increasing use of mobile devices, ensure your website is optimized for a seamless mobile experience. User-friendly navigation, quick loading times, and a straightforward checkout process contribute to a positive user experience, reducing bounce rates and increasing conversions. 12. Implement analytics and data analysis. Use analytics tools to track and analyze user behavior on your website. Understand which strategies are working, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your online business continually. 13. Scale and diversify. Once your online business gains momentum, explore opportunities for scaling and diversifying. Consider expanding product or service offerings, entering new markets, or exploring partnerships. Be agile and adaptive to changes in the digital landscape. 14. Stay informed and adapt to trends. The digital landscape is ever evolving, with new trends and technologies emerging regularly. Stay informed about industry trends, changes in consumer behavior, and advancements in technology. Adaptability is key to staying competitive and relevant in the fast-paced world of online business. 15. Secure your online business. Prioritize the security of your online business and your customers' data. Implement SSL certificates for secure transactions, use reliable payment gateways, and regularly update your website's security features. Building trust with your audience is crucial for long-term success. 16. Invest in digital marketing. Utilize various digital marketing channels to promote your online business. From email marketing and influencer collaborations to paid advertising and strategic partnerships, a diverse marketing approach will help you reach a broader audience and drive traffic to your website. 17. Create a sales funnel for conversions. Develop a well-structured sales funnel to guide visitors through the customer journey. This includes awareness, interest, consideration, and conversion. Use lead magnets, email campaigns, and targeted content to nurture leads and encourage conversions. 18. Collaborate and network. Build valuable connections within your industry by collaborating with other businesses and influencers. Networking can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and a wider audience. Attend virtual events, join relevant forums, and actively engage in conversations to expand your network. 19. Monitor and manage finances. Effective financial management is crucial for the sustainability of your online business. Keep track of expenses, revenue, and profits. Consider using accounting software to streamline financial processes. Regularly review your financial performance to make informed decisions and plan for growth. 20. Continuously improve and innovate. The online business landscape is dynamic, and continuous improvement is vital. Gather feedback from customers, analyze data, and seek ways to enhance your products, services, and overall customer experience. Embrace innovation and be willing to iterate on your strategies for long-term success. Launching and sustaining a successful online business requires a strategic mindset, adaptability, and a commitment to delivering value. By following these comprehensive steps, you'll be well equipped to navigate the digital landscape and build a thriving online business. Remember, success may not happen overnight, but with persistence and a customer-centric approach, you'll be on the path to online entrepreneurship triumph. Best of luck on your journey. And there you have it, Online Business Strategists, a comprehensive guide on starting and building a successful online business. We hope these strategies empower you on your entrepreneurial journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest strategies. As always, thank you for being part of the Online Business Strategies community. Here's to your success in the world of online business.
JudifMarketing.com, the anti-9-to-5 income plan, how I quit my job and retired decades early.